Welcome back. The crime branch on Thursday questioned two officers from the Directorate of Mines and Geology in connection with alleged illegal mining at Korgao. Crime branch has raised questions over missing files from Mines Department. Police has now decided to jointly inspect the mine at Korgao once again with the assistant geologist. Meanwhile, CEC has asked Mines Department to submit additional data before 15th of January.
Crime branch is probing Korgao illegal mining and files missing case. Police had issued summons to assistant geologist Ramnath Shetgaonkar and Jayant Kamath. Sources say that both were questioned over the inspection report files missing from Mines Department. Probing officer questioned them for not attending the joint inspection. The matter of non-cooperation has been reported to the Chief Secretary. Crime branch has now decided to jointly inspect Korgao mines once again. Meanwhile, Central Empowered Committee has asked Mines and Geology Department to submit additional data before 15 January. A reporter from Panji, Mahesh Ghadi with Omkar Farari.
Finally, Sunban 2012 has got a green signal from Tourism Ministry on Friday. However, organizers have been directed to strictly follow certain norms and conditions so as to disallow smoking and drug use. The 3-day Sunban Electronic Dance Festival will rock Kanduli from 27 December to 29th December. This year, Paul Van D, Roger Sanchez, Sander Van Doon and other international artists will perform for Sunban.
State-level permission committee met on Friday to discuss Sunban approval proposal. Committee comprised of Tourism Secretary R.K. Verma, North Goa Additional Collector, Representative of Police, Tourism Director Nikhil Desai, Shailendra Singh of Percept Company. Sources informed that although the Sunban has got virtual green signal, department is in the process of preparing the minutes of the meeting, which is finalizing the norms and conditions for the event. Meanwhile, Fisheries Minister Avertan Furtad was hopeful of Sunban happening in South Goa this year. But still the minister has extended his arms open for the event in future.
I welcome the Sunban in South Goa, that is for sure. Because now so many years the North is holding this Sunban. So we should also be given a preference, at least once in South Goa. And I would really be very happy if the Tourism Minister would get this Sunban to South Goa.
Percept Company, the organizer for the event, are pacing up with the preparation for Sunban at Kandoli. Laukik Shilkar, Sham Sundar Fatte with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Shifting of OPD services to Yatri Niwas at GMC has created a lot of inconvenience to the patients. They have no proper place to sit nor to stand. Medical superintendent claims they are awaiting safety certificate from PWD for reoccupying the old OPD section. However, nobody knows how long it will take. Meanwhile, the repair works at the old OPD section has begun.
Have a look at these patients at GMC. There is no proper place to sit, nor to stand. Some patients have managed to create space for themselves, however some were waiting for their turn. They are facing this inconvenience as the OPD services have been temporarily shifted to Yatri Niwas following fire tragedy on Tuesday. On Tuesday morning, major fire at medical store and pharmacy at old OPD building of GMC disrupted the OPD services. Stored medicine caught fire, thus causing loss worth almost crore. Following this incident, OPD had to be shifted to Yatri Niwas. We spoke with the medical superintendent of GMC, Dr. Sunanda Amunkar. She said that they cannot shift the services to old OPD section till they get safety certificate from the PWD.
हो सगळो टेम्पररी अरेंजमेंट आसा कळ्ळें न्ही जेन्ना आमकां त्या बिल्डिंगेचें सेफ्टी सर्टिफिकेट मेळटलें न्ही की आमी रोखड्या रोखडी थंयच्यान ओपीडी परत ओरिजिनल जाग्याचेर व्हरतलीं आतां फक्त कितें आसा आमकां सिटींग अरेंजमेंट आमकां प्रोवायड करूंक मेळूना कित्याक तो मातसो जागो ल्हान पडटा न्ही कंपेर्ड टू पयलींची ओपीडी त्या 3 लेवलाचेर आशिल्ली वेरेज ही एकूच लेवलाचेर आसा सो ताका लागून कदाचित त्रास मातशे जाता आसतले कित्याक वेवस्थीत बसूंक मेळना बट हो सगळो टेम्पररी अरेंजमेंट आसा सो वील ट्राय एंड गेट बॅक टू एज अर्ली एज पॉसिबल.
Meanwhile, repair work at OPD section and pharmacy has begun at GMC. Our video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.